Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got another Guess What's in the Box video. It's a pretty large box. Picked it up from eBay, from J&J Auto Wrecking. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so it's not too heavy, but this box is, let me turn the camera a little bit, move it down a little bit there. Alright, so this box is 20 3/8 of an inch wide by 20 1/8 of an inch long, and it is 12 5/8 deep. Let's see if I can show it over here. 12 and this one looks like a half. 5/8, 12 5/8. What do you guys think is in this box? My quick guess is the wood grain dash kit for the limited 4Runner, which is the speedometer bezel, wood grain bezel, the center console or center dash piece with the vents and the hazard switch and everything, as well as the shifter bezel, all the door switches and everything like that. But you guys let me know what you guys think it is. It is a pretty large box. I'll give you a hint right there when I move the camera. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick video. We will definitely be opening it up in the next video. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Just leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm kind of pretty dirty. I've gotten all the bolts and everything out. The bushing right here off, though I just put on. The old or the new rack. Here is the brand new rack. So I got to take the new rack that I just put on 2 days ago, and I got to take that one off. Got to put this one on because that rack is actually leaking out of the high pressure fitting, which is this fitting right here. So that rack obviously had some kind of problem. I think it was some kind of problem with the threads, because it looked like the even though the high pressure line threaded in fine, it looked like it went in crooked, which is telling me that either they remanned it and the threads, when they tapped the threads crooked and it caused its own leak. That's the only thing I can come up with, because the line looks fine. And these are all the new parts that I showed you guys that I just installed. Here's the new bracket with the new bushing, brand new bolts. So I got all the bolts out, and I loosened the high pressure fitting, and it's just draining the half a quart that I put in it right now. And then when that's done draining, I will slide that brand new rack off. Take the tie rods, that brand new tie rods I got, take them off, put them on this one, slap this one in there. I'm gonna go from there. But that's all I got for you guys. Just a couple quick updates. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Got another large box we need to do an unboxing on as well, and a Guess What's in the Box video. That's all I got for you guys. As always, like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I know I probably repeated it, and I apologize. Last thing, go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And one last thing, I got a Ulsa Tools link down below that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. It also kicks me back 10% off my next order, so if you do use it, I do save some money on my next order, which is much appreciated. All affiliate links are, or all links are affiliate links. I don't know why I always say it that way. But I do earn a commission when you guys use them. All the money that I earn from the channel goes back into the channel. Do appreciate you guys' time. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!